welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, I'm going to show you a life hack trick to be able to remove safely your coil pack from your BMW. And if this is your first time stopping into my channel and you want to know more about the BMW N54 engine type or even E90 chassis stuff, then hopefully you would consider subscribing today. Now these coil packs get stuck down in there very easily, mostly because of age and just the time, but more importantly, they have to snug right over that spark plug pretty heavily to where it really creates a nice suction that's down on there, and you really do not want to break this retaining clip. This clip right here holds your connector piece on, so as you put it on there, it draws it in closer and it connects it to that. My life hack trick today will show you safely how to remove it and effectively and make it very easy on yourself so that way you don't break anything. And that's coming up right now. All right, for the life hack to safely remove a coil pack from your BMW, just in general, or really this is the N54, it's really, this life hack will apply to anything that has the little clip here with the circle in the middle. So all you have to do is just pop it out right here, pull back on the clip itself, back of the connector. So once you have it removed like that, once it's removed as such, so all you have to do is take your 3/8 drive extension here, slide it on through the hole. Use both hands. You're going to apply pressure down, so find a spot on the valve cover itself, kind of push up and then pull up at the same time. This will give you just enough range of motion and leverage to safely and easily pull out your BMW coil pack. And it's just simple as that. This is what connects to the connector itself, to the coil. And then that way you don't struggle to try to really pull it out. That's it. All right, everyone, there you have it. The easy way and the safest way to remove a BMW coil pack from your engine type. It's as simple as just what you just saw. 3/8 drive, 12-inch extension, slides right through the opening itself, gives you more range of motion, more leverage. That way you can safely pull it out and you're off and running for when you start your DIY. And then there you have it. Please be sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. Check out my playlist, all that kind of stuff. All that's out there for you so you can peruse through what you're looking for. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. All right, have a good day, and I'll check you later.